Hey, my name is Danny Ruderman. In my 18 years as a college counselor, I've had the opportunity to work with some amazing students who have gone on from college to follow their passions and make an impact on the world. At the end of the day, what matters the most is character and finding the things that will make each student a well-rounded individual that is ready to take on any challenge and succeed in their passion. That's why I'm so excited to work in this first-of-a-kind partnership with ICL Academy to develop the Authentic Admissions track, which will provide all ICL Academy students and scholars with not only world-class college guidance and college counseling, but also the most important learnings and takeaways from what I've learned over the last 18 years working with thousands of students to help them succeed in high school, college, and beyond. Every ICL student will be on the Authentic Admissions track, which includes some of my best materials, constant updates, and relevant information split out by every grade level, and of course live webinars with me and my team to nourish each student's unique journey to college. It's going to be a great year, and we are here to help each student reach their potential. Thanks.